Previously this week.
Let's go to the beach.
In November. Yeah, Alfie's got the GoPro harness on, so what was the Hudson cam and the Abbey cam is now going to be the Alfie cam. We had problems with Woody last night and this morning. Good morning, we are on to Thursday. Emma's at work today, back on day shifts, and Abby and I have got a guide dog talk to do. So yeah, we're heading to the local day centre to go and give a talk. We've been there a few times, so we're just going there to give a talk and sort of an up to date, let them know what we've been doing lately and talk about guide dogs and things a little bit more. They also do quite a bit of fundraising for them. For guide dogs, which is brilliant. So I'm sure they'll normally make plans for like a Christmas fair and things like they do for guide dogs. So yeah, that should be good. So we're leaving for there in just a minute.
The next day.
Good afternoon. On to another day. Alfie's gone with Kathy for a bit for a second walk in this lovely weather, and we're on the way to BMW to get our tyres changed. So, and it's absolutely hammering it down. It has been for hours, and the roads are flooding. We've just skidded in a puddle.
Not really a puddle, tomorrow a lake.
Or a lake, man. Yeah, we've got rain forecast for the next. Well, on my phone you can see up to the next 10 days, and it's rain every day. So it's not going to get much better, really. So yeah. Match will probably be off on Saturday, so I'll be mad. I hate rain. I hate this country. Let's move to America.
Tell them about the house.
Yeah, well, yeah, we've got a bit of a problem with the house as well now. Things aren't going very well this week, are they? Yeah, we had some documents for anyway about the house purchase. What?
It's a very strange document.
It's a very difficult document to understand, which is why I emailed the solicitor to get a bit of clarification on it, really. And because what it sort of said is that you can't run any business from home apart from an office, which we don't at the moment, but we are hoping when the business opens, we're open to also offer home boarding for dogs. So because it was just working really well with what we're offering. Obviously we're offering doggy daycare at the centre, but we obviously don't want to turn away people that want home boarding as well. So we want to do that, but we've read in this document that you can't do any business apart from an office business, and this obviously wouldn't
do a lot
be.
of things for that,
Yeah, this wouldn't be an office-based one. So yeah, so a bit of a problem. So we're trying to get that clarified, whether it's like 100% or whether we can like apply for, I don't know, change of use or whatever, like you can with a business.
No.
So find out if you can sort of apply for a business and get approved or whatever. But at the moment it's not looking good. So this week we're having concerns about the house purchase. Woody's still not coming out of his cage. It's 2 days later and he's still refusing to come out. He's starting to look a bit happier. He's making noises and stuff, but he will not climb onto us for love nor money. So that's a bit of a concern. I don't know what's going on with that. Alfie's starting to not want to eat his food, his new food that he's on. That's not that he's not like one of many few foods that he's not allergic to. So that's.
And I went to Pets at Home and to try and get him some wet food to mix in, but all wet foods contain peas.
And he can't have peas. So it's just not. It's not going well.
The good news is the business might have some news about that.
Yeah, the landlord rang yesterday. He said that he spoke to somebody within the council to try and we're all chasing things up, and they think it should be sorted by the end of the week. Now we don't know if that means the highways or the whole thing, we don't know yet, but something's going to be sorted, which is good news. But the way this week's going, I'm not getting my hopes up yet. You know, let's wait and see, because who knows what will happen.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Today's still not really getting any better. So we've been, and obviously we're back in the car now. We arrived, first thing they said, "Are you sure your appointment's today?" "Yes, we're sure." "Oh, I can't find it on the system, let me have another look, blah blah blah." Anyway, they fitted us in, which was good. We made our way, went and had some lunch after a taxi driver, the most miserable driver ever in the world. "Where's this rain come from?" The sky, mate, the sky. He was so miserable. So yeah, we went and had some lunch. They told us the car wouldn't be ready till 5 and this was at like 1:30, so we was expecting a long wait. Got a message at 2 or just after 2 o'clock saying like, "Oh, the car's done, had its health check, blah blah blah." I thought, "Oh, that's like the first stage, it must just be updating me." Rang them up just to check. No, you come and collect it, it's all done." I was like, "Oh, great." But that's only because they haven't done anything, they haven't changed anything. They said the tyres are fine, which is, well, not fine, they said they're amber like level, so they need changing in a like probably January, which is like 2 months away, if that, a month and a half. And like they told us 3 months ago that we'd have to come back like in a few months to get it done. So we're close, wait, for nothing. What a day. Catherine just went to drop off Alfie. She can't get in because the door's bolted from the front, so she's got to take him home. It's nothing's going right. Again, what is wrong with us? And now we're in traffic! Ugh!
I wanted to add 40 minutes onto our journey, and the journey's only 30.
Well, yeah. Oh, I'm going to bed when we get in, I've had enough.
And the agility's cancelled. To the floods.
Yeah, they're going out a warning in South Yorkshire, which is where the agility is actually, for like saying a risk to life because of the flooding. That's how much rain we're having at the moment. It's not good. I am really actually ready for an holiday. How long till South Africa?
Too long.
Just less than 2 months, isn't it? So we'll start counting down some sunshine.
Day 3.
Morning. Morning. It's not afternoon yet. No, it's definitely morning because I should still be in bed. It's Sunday, which means lying day, and I've been woke up at like 5 AM.
Oh yeah.
To go out for a walk.
You didn't get out of bed till 25 to 9.
I know, I tried to delay it as long as I could. Yeah, but anyway, we are off to Sherwood Forest for a run for the dogs. If we can get there. Yeah, a lot of roads are closed for Remembrance Sunday, so we're having a lot of interesting sort of conundrums to get around. It's taken a while, but we'll get there. So yeah, we're going to the home of Robin Hood, Sherwood Forest, or as Abby and I feel like to call it, Sherwood Forest. I'm on form again. I think it's hard. Just call me an idiot for my superb jokes. In front we've got, are they in front?
Yeah.
We've got Hudson, my retired guide dog, with his retirement family, Kathy, Stephen and Cora. No Daly today, he's at his dad's. Well, I say Hudson's retirement family, it's also like our new blended family as well. We realised that we've probably done more with Kathy and Stephen this year than we have with our own family, which isn't great.
Setting up a business.
Yeah. For those I don't know, Kathy's coming to work for us with the business and everything. Been on 2 holidays with them this year. Craziness. So yeah, we're going for a nice Sunday morning run. It's a bit chilly out there, but the sun is out, so it should be a
3.5 degrees.
Oh god, that's chilly, but I didn't know it was that cold. I'm staying in the car. Ugh. The dogs will be alright, they've got coats. Anyway.
We've got a coat.
Yeah, but it's not furry. Anyway, we're here guys! Woo! Excited!
Alfie.
Alfred!
I don't know, he'll jump over in a minute. He's looking.
Oh, you're looking, good boy. Excited? Wait till Hudson gets out of the car, he'll be excited then, when he wiggles his body. It's like that song, Wiggle and Wine Your Body.
Pretty girl, wiggle and wine your body. Wiggle and wine your switch.
Oh, Alfie.
Oh no.
Wait.
Hey, Puds! That's loud. loud.
Oh.
Here, we'll send you a ticket through.
Alfie! Alfie! He's gone in the garden.
Showing on your face. Same. All lights are off.
Later.
Yep. Well done. Yep. Yep.
Pass and move then, Nate. Pass and move. Pass and move. Casey to Nathan.
Yes, mate. Yep. 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 Good ball.
Pass and move.
That's football training over for today. And it's time to feed Abby. You hungry, Abs? Dinner? 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 So excited when it comes to food. You'd literally think that she never gets fed, how excited she gets. Alright, I'll feed you in a sec. So yeah, I've just got a decision to make now whether I join the old folks, that's Emma and Kathy, so whether I join them for a night of bingo. Can't believe it. Old bidders. So shall I stay or shall I go? I don't know. An update on Woody as well. So you might remember earlier in this vlog I also told you about the issues we've been having with him, where he's not wanting to come downstairs, not wanting to climb on our arms or anything like that, which isn't like Woody. Normally, as you've seen, he's on my arm dancing and everything. He's normally a very friendly bird. But yeah, so he's been like scared of us or whatever, and we don't know what's the cause. I think it might be the fireworks, but it also could be his age. Some birds, especially males, when they reach around 2, between 2 and 3, they can just turn on you for no reason. So I'm hoping it's not that. I'm hoping it's just the fireworks that scared him a little bit. I'm trying to sort of rebuild the bond with him throughout the week. Then hopefully next week or the week after I can start trying to see if he'll step onto my arm again and stuff. So work in progress. He is a bit more chirpy. He's talking and shouting and dancing in the cage and things like that again, which is good to see, at least. And he's eating as well, so that's a positive. He's not unwell, which is one of the things that we was also worried about. So at least all that's good, and he is showing signs of improving, but we still haven't managed to get him downstairs yet. And unfortunately the clock is ticking, because we might be moving out in a few weeks, or the business might also be starting in a couple of months. So, and then the idea is he's going to come to work with us. So obviously he can't be doing that if he won't step onto our arms and get in the travel cage and stuff. So we've got a bit of a challenge on our hands. So it's going to be interesting over the next few weeks to see how we can progress with that, see if we can get him sort of on terms with us again and getting him on our arms and things. It's really sad. I miss having him downstairs. I mean, I spend a lot of time upstairs with him, so he still gets to see people and stuff like that. And like I said, still trying to build the bond with him. But it's sad that I can't have him on my arm at the moment and have him dancing and stuff like that like I usually do. It's just very strange how it's just like changed like a flick of a switch. But we'll get there. Fingers crossed. So. Alfie, you gave it away. You gave it away, Alfie. You're not supposed to find me. Hello. Hello.
My daddy.
Well done, Alfie. You win the game. So I'm in the car. I've given up I've given up to the old people's pressure.
That's it. Every time the number.
You ready, old people?
Yeah.
Bingo.
Well, I am.
Apparently they have a
Next time.
blind friendly machine, which hopefully just does everything for me so I can have a nap and it just tells me when we've won and I can just eat chips. That's all I'm coming for, some chips. Best be nice chips. We're all ready and I'm already confused. Apparently it does it all for me, but I'm not convinced.
I don't like
To the right. Apollo bingo, we are in.
We're home and I won nothing!
It's like a venison sausage, Alfie.
None of us won anything. Shocking. What a great night. I came close 3 times.
Very close.
On my last, on the full house, 3 times with 1 number left. And then someone called it. And on one of them, they called it. It must have been a line because the next number that was read out was the number I needed. For that, it were 2 lines. It was 2 lines. It was a decent amount. No, it was that first line that was like for $2,000. That special one they did.
Yeah, and then
And literally the next number. I needed 85. Someone claimed it. Next number. 8 and 5. 85. No! So mad. But anyway, that is it from this week. We will again see you next week on Friday at 6 PM. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you then.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, Emma.
Bye, Emma.
Negative.
Can't not say that now.
I know it's terrible. Bye.